Our choose topic is nature of language. This is comment. First, introduction. Second, development. Third, characteristic. Fourth is advantage. Fifth is disadvantage. The last one is conclusion. Let's start first part, introduction. What is natural language? Natural language usually refers to a language that naturally evolves with culture. Natural language, also known as human language, is the main tool for human communication and thinking. The crystallization of human design.
The next is development of the natural language. And we are going to present the 4 important periods on this part. As you can see on the screen, we divided into the 4 periods. And I may introduce for you. The first one we called infancy. It can be regarded as a basic research stage of natural language processing, and the next one is rapid period. It's a natural language processing quickly integrated into the field of artificial intelligence during this period. And now it's the third one. It's called low-speed development period. Since the 1970s, the study of the natural language processing has entered a through period. And the last one is integration period. It is a period that has made a diamond based on the natural language make more prominent.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the characteristics of natural language. Here are 4 characteristics of natural language processing development. First, the relationalist approach based on syntax semantic rules has been questioned. With the corpus construction and the rest of corpus linguistics, the processing of large-scale real tests has become the main strategic goal of natural language processing. And second is automatic language learning is increasingly used in natural language processing to obtain language knowledge. And third, the role of vocabulary is increasingly processed in natural language processing, and there is a strong tendency of lexicons. And finally, is the VB is in Visual Basic. And natural language refers to human language. It's a way to describe the algorithm.
Advantage in nature of language. 2 main advantage points. Relieves burden of learning syntax. No training. Nature of language is used in our daily lives, so there is no or little complex syntax. It's easy to learn syntax. Of language is basic constitution of a person or thing, used naturally in our daily life. We are training unconsciously every day, so we don't need to training.
Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about disadvantage of natural language. Here are 3 disadvantages of natural language processing. The first one is increasing maximum workload. When using a rule-based rationalist approach to develop a natural language processing system, the cooperation of linguists, phonetics, and various experts is often required to carry out knowledge-intensive research. The second one is language models developed by rule-based rationalist methods are generally fragile. Okay, the third one is the rule-based method is difficult to simulate the constraint relationship in the language.
Okay, let's review with a short summary of our content. There are 5 main topics we covered: brief introduction, development, characteristics, advantage and disadvantage. It has experienced 4 periods of development. As for characteristics, it still has 4 points. The disadvantage is that heavy workload, fragile language model, and difficult to simulate. Alright, hope you enjoyed the summary of natural language. Thank you so much.